So today, Anna had a big adventure. She moved from the bedroom out to the family room. This is her first look around. Looks pretty much the same from her perspective. Here she's checking it all out. Where are you going, Anna? Anna, Anna. Anna, Anna. Anna. Oh. Anna, that's not a good look. Anna. Anna. Well, I guess it's nap time now. Big adventure's over.